You don't have to spend a fuckload of money to wash your hair. You boil the kettle with about a litre of water. You then spread it between 3 2-litre bottles, topped up with cold water. Cheapest shampoo you can get works out at about 50p a litre. A teaspoon, not even a teaspoon. If you've got a dry scalp, moisturiser. That is all you need. I'll whack more than that. About 200ml of water. That is enough shampoo to wash your hair for about 3 months. Use your fingertips, not your nails, otherwise you just gouge holes into yourself. First time you put it in, you're breaking down the grease. And just repeat until it's clean. Oh, that's pretty much it. You don't need to spend more than a couple of quid on washing your hair per year. Your hair, your skin, your scalp, it builds up immunity to chemicals. So whenever you put in shampoo in your hair, your body's getting used to it and acclimatized. This is why whenever you, oh my fucking nice knife. That's why whenever you switch to a new brand of shampoo, it seems like it's doing a better job. And because your body hasn't become immune to it yet. I mean, for the sake of a few pence, it gets it clean. You don't have to spend a fortune. So, yeah, there you go, job done.